Selecting the right vanity can help create personality and practicality in the bathroom, especially when space is limited. With the Posh Domaine Vanity range, you can create and customise the perfect vanity to suit your needs. This is our Domaine Ensuite model that comes in a versatile door and drawer combination. Its narrower depth suits smaller bathrooms without compromising on storage. This is one of our standard models with a fresh white interior, metal drawers and a soft close adapter. You can also upgrade to one of our Domaine Plus models, which feature a premium graphite interior and premium soft close runners. This unit is floor mounted, but it's also available in a wall hung option, great for creating that sense of space in the bathroom. The Domaine Ensuite unit comes in a wide range of sizes, from a 600mm right up to an 1800mm, so you can find the right vanity to suit your needs and space requirements. This is our 900 model, paired with a single integrated basin, but you can also upgrade to double basins on our 15 and 1800 models, so you don't have to share. The Domaine units can also be customised to suit your personal style, with a range of the most popular cabinet finishes and bench tops. Here is our blackened limewood finish with a ceramic top. You can also choose a Friday hybrid quartz, cherry pie solid surface or bamboo top to pair with your choice of basin, or an acrylic top for another integrated basin option. Get in contact with one of our experienced consultants at your local Reece showroom, or explore the Reece website to see the full range of Posh Domaine vanities. Thanks for watching.